Hey, remember this bad boy? Yeah, make sure you're always checking. Why did I put this in 2 different videos? Because you're going to forget. So write it down so you don't forget. America. Now let's try another one. Sound good? Sound Gucci? Yeah. Okay, so I've got a couple options. You can do this 2 ways. Yeah. I can either, we'll do it both ways. I can write this as log base 2 of x plus 2 squared equals 4. So this is way number 1. And then I'll write it in exponential form. So I'm going to have 2 to the 4th equals x plus 2 squared. What do I know about 2 to the 4th? That's 16, right? Don't FOIL this out. Okay? Reason being, in this particular case, I can square root to get rid of the radical. What's the square root of 16? Cuatro. And I'm going to have x plus 2. But hold up. When I square root both sides, I do need to have that plus or minus in there. So technically what I have is x plus 2 equals positive 4 and x plus 2 equals negative 4. So I'm going to have x equals 2 and x equals negative 6. And I do need to check this in the orig. So if I go back up to here, if I plug in a 2 for x, I'm going to have the 2 times the log base 2 of 2 plus 2, which is 4. That's okay. If I plug the negative 6 in, negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. I can't have that. No way, no how. Okay, you also could have FOILed this out, x plus 2 times x plus 2, which is x squared plus 4x plus 4, and, subtracted the 16, factored, all that jazz. I find it easier just to take the square roots if you notice it, okay? But there are different ways of doing it there. Another way, I could have just outright divided this whole thing by 2, so I'd have log base 2 of x plus 2 equals, what's 4 divided by 2? It's 2. So I just divided by this 2 right here on both sides. Now I can go exponential. I'm going to have 2 squared equals x plus 2. And then I'm going to end up getting 4 equals x plus 2. And I get x equals 2. And it actually doesn't end up giving me my extraneous solution, so how about that?